Never wished your iPad could hustle like a MacBook? Apple's about to make that dream real with a massive iPadOS update that's turning your tablet into a productivity beast. New Mac-like features are coming, and they're trending big time. Stick around to find out why your iPad's work game is about to level up. Hey Apple fam, welcome back to GadInsider. Whispers are flying about a game-changing iPadOS update that's set to make your iPad feel like a Mac. Bloomberg's dropping hints that Apple's cooking up desktop-style features to supercharge productivity and multitasking. With M5 iPads on the horizon, this could be huge. Let's dive into what's got everyone buzzing. So what's the scoop? Rumors say this iPadOS update, expected around spring 2026, a year after the M4 iPad Pro, is all about making your iPad a workhorse. I think Mac-style window control where you can drag, resize, and stack apps like a pro. Apple's been teasing this vibe since Stage Manager dropped in iPadOS 16, letting you run multiple apps in Windows, but fans said it felt clunky to iPad, not enough Mac. iPadOS 17 loosened things up with freer resizing, yet it still wasn't macOS level smooth. Now, Apple's reportedly going all in with a desktop-like setup that could let you manage apps as easily as on a MacBook. Pair that with M5 chips in future iPads and you've got power to crush spreadsheets, edit videos, or juggle a dozen tabs without breaking a sweat. Why is this trending? iPads, especially the Pro, are already monsters with Apple Silicon, but iPadOS has held them back from true laptop territory. This update could change that, making your iPad a legit MacBook rival for work. Imagine dragging Photoshop next to Notion, resizing on the fly, and multitasking like you're on macOS, all on a 13-inch iPad Pro. Social media's buzzing, with creators on X calling it the productivity surge we've waited for. If Apple nails this, it's a win for students, designers, and remote workers who want one device that does it all. And with M5 iPads rumored to pack even more grunt, this could finally silence the iPads aren't real computers crowd. Spring 2026 can't come fast enough. Alright, let's get you in the mix. Picture your iPad with these Mac-like powers. What's your vibe? Stacking apps for a killer design sesh? Running a Zoom empire with notes on the side? Or maybe just flexing a clutter-free desk with one device? Drop your dream workflow in the comments.